Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Settings and locating Control Center or Quick Settings. This gets you straight to customization. Tap the entry, then enable the main toggle so the system will show the panel. Make sure to grant any required permissions for notifications and overlay access, because without them tiles may not work. Once done, drag or tap to add the Control Center tile into your Quick Settings so it's available with a swipe from the top of the screen. Next, you customize the tiles and layout so the Control Center matches how you use your phone. Tap Edit or the pencil icon and drag tiles like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and media controls into preferred positions. This changes reach and priority. Add useful functions like screenshot, hotspot, or custom app shortcuts for one-tap access. Also check layout options. Choose number of columns or whether to show an expanded view. These settings change how dense or simple the panel appears. Finally, practice opening the Control Center with your swipe or gesture and long press tiles to access advanced settings and quick toggles. This builds muscle memory so you act fast. Test media and connectivity controls to confirm they work, and if a tile is unresponsive, try removing and re-adding it. If problems persist, reboot the phone, then reset Quick Settings or clear the Settings app cache to remove corrupt data. This usually restores proper behavior when nothing else helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.